Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we're going to cover how to make a reservation within a group block. Once you've signed in to ResNexus, you will navigate to the Reservations drop-down menu and select Group Reservations. From here, you'll select the group reservation that you need to add the reservation to, and you'll select the reservation number. This will pull up a page with the rooms and nights that have been blocked off for this group, and you will check the box for the room and night that the guest would like to book. You'll then select Convert to Reservation, and you'll enter your guest information as usual. You can then process payments as usual and treat this as a normal reservation. If you return to the group reservation, you will see that that has been added to the group and does still show the amount that's still due for that room. And that's how you add a guest reservation within a group block in ResNexus. Thank you for learning more about ResNexus.